Hello there and welcome to another easy tutorial. Please like and subscribe for more, and if you need a tutorial on something, leave it in the comments. In today's tutorial, I will be showing you how to make your own GIF. Start by going to the link below or just typing in Easy GIF in your browser. Once landed on this page, click on Video to GIF. I cut a little part out of one of my previous tutorials just for the sake of this one, as you can see here. This would not be something you would want to make a GIF out of, but this is just an example. The average length of a GIF is somewhere between 2 and 6 seconds. Now, select the video you want to make a GIF out of and click on Upload Video. Once your video is uploaded, you can select how you want your GIF to be. You can say which part of the video you want to use, choose the size, FPS, etc. If everything is how you want it to be, click on Convert to GIF. You have now created a GIF out of a video. You can still, however, keep on changing the GIF until you are completely satisfied. Let's say I would like to speed up this GIF. Just do it like this. If you would like to optimize your GIF to make it run smoother, do it like this. Keep on changing it until you are completely satisfied, and then click on Save. As you can see, I now created my own GIF. Thanks for watching, and let me know which easy tutorial you want next.